friend Santosh here. Today we discuss Vedic administration. Okay, Vedic administration divided into two parts: Rigvedic and later Vedic. In Rigvedic period, there are tribal groups: Bharat, Puru, Turvash, Krish, and in later Vedic period, Kuru, Panchal means 12 Ratnis. Okay, evidence that Vindhya range तक हो गई थी. It means they spread to Vindhya range. Okay, in Vedic period gives information about Abhimanyu and his son King Parikshit. Okay, in administration we discuss these points. First one is its nature. Second one, central administration. In central administration, king, council of minister, revenue administration, judiciary administration, military administration. Okay, third point, state and local. Last point, others. Okay, now we discuss about this tribal groups. Okay, Peru were a Rigvedic tribe. There were several factions of Purus, one being the Bharats. The Purus and the Bharats were the two most prominent tribes in the most of the Rigvedic. Okay, now we discuss Bharat. Bharats were the tribe mentioned in the Rigvedic, especially in Mandal 3, attribute to the Bharat sage Vishwamitra. Mandal 7 mentioned the Bharat as the taking part in the battle of the 10 kings, where they are on the winning side due to the victory of Bharat chieftain Sudhas in the battle. The Bharat ruler were able to settle in the Kurukshetra area. In epic Mahabharata, the ancestor of Kurus becomes the emperor Bharat, and his ruler and kingdom is called Bharat. The Bharat clan mentioned in the Mahabharata is a Kuru clan, which is sub-clan of the Puru clan, who were the cousins of the Yadavs. Bharat today is an official name of Republic of India. Okay. First we discuss Rigvedic administration. Okay, in Rigvedic period, Aryans were attached with the traditional tribal system. Nature of the Aryans were tribal. Other features were not properly clear because political system just started. In this period, first time introduced the system of monarchy. Head of the state is king, which was called Janas. Janas means Gopa. It means head of the Janas is Gopa. It means head of the Janas is king. It was elected by Sabha and Samiti. He had only two work: safety of ascetic plane and leadership during war. He had not many rights because Sabha and Samiti controlled the activity of king. There was a council of minister for the help of king, in which only 5 ministers include priest, warrior, Rathkar, Sutkar and Gramin. Okay. In this period, 4 types of institution were exist. First one is Sabha. 8 times reference in Rigvedic. In this participate male, female both. Samiti. Second one, it was an institution of all people where male and female both. Third one, Vidata. Okay, it is the oldest institution. 122 time reference in Rigvedic. Very important point, distribution of wealth. Gana. It is a nominal body for upper class. In this period, king was supreme judge and he punished by the support of police. In that time, police called Ugra. In this period, there was a military security of plan. The Senani was a head of military called commander-in-chief. In this period, given information about many type battles like the Shraga battle near river Parushani. Okay, now we discuss in simple words. Administration system of Rigvedic period based on tribal structure and geographical and regional feature not properly defined because it was earlier phase of political development in which they defined the requirement of yajna so that initially nature's sources in the elected king. In the period of administration, division was not defined properly, but get some information. Largest unit was Jan of the administration. it also called the Rashtra, and through this Vish and Gram. Vish was a head of Vishupati, and Gram, head of the village called Gramani. Head of the Jan is called Janas Gopa. Two famous main responsibilities. First point, they lead army in battlefield. Second point, assert the security of the clan. Okay, post of the king was elected. He had limited rights. Second point, king was controlled by Sabha and Samiti. Okay, they get the information about council of minister, which help the king, in which there are 5 ministers like Senani, Prohit, Gramani, Ratkar, etc. In this period also get the information about 4 types of institutions: Sabha, Samiti, Data and Gan, in which Gan was the oldest institution. Sabha was for illiterate class people. Class people. Samiti was the organization for general public. In this period, judiciary and the military were not properly developed, but revenue system has been started. It was based on work. It means it was a gift for king. Finally, we can say Rigvedic period, political system not properly developed. Okay, 2 groups. First, Bharat tribe, Sudas. Second, 10 tribes, 5 Arya and 5 un-Arya tribes. Reason, appointed Guru Vasishtha in the place of Vishwamitra. Sudas win reference in Rigvedic. In this period, all people given the tax by the king, which was called Bali, but not by force, in which basically include daily consuming items. It means it was a gift. This period was in beginning phase, that's why the administration was not properly set up, but get the administration division at limited unit. As we discuss in simple words, that largest unit Jan, Vish, Gram, Kalp, Sabha and Samiti was the 2 daughters of Prajapati. Later Vedic administration. In this period, political system are running previous phase but seeing some new changes. Jan converted into Janpad, which is called Rashtra because merging of Jan, expansions of area. In this period, increase the power of king. King become despotism, absolutely monarchy, and post will be hereditary. Okay, in this period, finished Vidata and Gan ended, and limitation rights of Sabha and Samitis. These are called 2 daughters of Prajapati in Atharva Veda. In Atharva Brahman, the concept of origin of king is given, and in this period many name is seen of king. Raja. Raja ruled over Rajya. It called central kingdom. And Bhoja. Bhoj ruled over Bhojya, southern kingdom. Savrat is ruled over Swaraj. It is in western kingdom. Okay. Now Virat ruled over Vairajya. It means in northern kingdom. And last one is Samrat. Samrat ruled over Samraj. It is an eastern kingdom. Okay. This period started many types of yajna with the post of king, like Ashwamedh Yajna, Rajsuya Yajna, Vajpayee Yajna. Okay. In this period, increased the number of ministers, which was 12 and which were called Ratni. First one is Prohit. Prohit is a chief priest, also sometimes referred to as a Rashtra Gopal. Second one, Senani. Senani means supreme commander of army. Third one, Gramin. Gramin is a head of village. Fourth one is Madhyamasi. It is a mediator of disputes. Fifth one, Bhagyadogaha. It is a revenue collector. Okay, collector. Sorry. Sixth one is Sanigratri. Sanigratri means treasurer. And seventh one, Mahashishi, the chief queen. Sutta, charioteer and court minister. Govind Kartan. Govind Kartan is a keeper of games and forest. Kshatriya is a Cambrian. Now, 11th one, Akshay Vapa, it is an accountant. Athapatti, it is a chief judge. In this period, revenue system were introduced properly and it was collected by force, and for this appoint a separate officer. Bhagadya, it is a tax collector. Sangritri, treasurer. Okay, friends, now we discuss later Vedic period administration in simple words. Okay, later Vedic period political system properly developed. For this, many factor was responsible because regional expansion become powerful, population growth, ambitions of the kings. So that in this period changed the nature of monarchy. Hereditary and absolute monarchy believe in divide concept of big title on the basis of reason. Samrat, Ekrat, Virat, prestige of the king authority are there. On the basis of sorry friends, these all our mentioned concepts are to be powerful because of king. In this period, administrative division properly set up in which Jan merged with each other and make Janpad. Janpad became the superior unit, lower division was similar. In this period, king became more powerful than previous age, and by this declined the power of Sabha and Samiti. In this period, increased the diversity of king's function due to regional expansion. So that required the large size of council of minister. By this we get the information about 12 Ratni in Natrian Sahila. They were fixed for separate work. In this period, increased the size of army, but not develop the professional army and administration, as well as not establish the judiciary system. But in this period, seen the change of revenue system. It was properly established. It was defined as compulsory tax. It was also called Bali or Bagh. So that we can say finally that administration system of later Vedic period more developed. It prepared the base for Gupta and Maurya period. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, bye bye. See you again in my next video. Okay, bye.